Hello and welcome to the 340 Club. In this video, we'll be solving this question. 9 exponent x plus 1 is equal to 27 root 3. 9 exponent x plus 1 equals 27 root 3. So let's get started. The first thing I do is apply this rule or identity that says the square root of a can be written as a to the exponent half, right? So root a is the same as a to the power of half. So let's apply it here. My 9 is now 3 squared to the power of x plus 1. 27 is 3 cubed, and root 3 is 3 to the power of half. So that's how the equation looks like now. We now have a common base of 3. So the next step is to apply this rule of exponents, which says a to the power x all to the power y is equal to a to the power x times y. So the left-hand side now becomes 3 to the power 2x plus 2. Since I multiply the two exponents, which is 2 and x plus 1, I get 2x plus 2. The next thing is to apply this rule of exponents, which says a to the power x times, forgive the typo, a to the power y is equal to a to the power x plus y, right? So the right-hand side now becomes 3 to the power 3 plus half, right? We can simplify that to 3 to the power 2x plus 2 is equal to 3 to the power 3 and a half. So the next thing now, since we have a common base, right? If a to the power x is equal to a to the power y, then x is equal to y. So since we have a common base, we can equate the exponents and have 2x plus 2 equals 3.5, and have 2x equals 1.5, and x equals 1.5 over 2, which is the same as 3 over 4. So that's it. That's how you solve this question. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.